Hi guys, good afternoon. I'm going to tell you about Chichen Itza. Chichen is one of the main archaeological sites of the Yucatan in Mexico. It's a location in the kingdom in the state Yucatan. It's a city or surrounding center which passes around several commercial constructive import and recognized influence of the Maya civilization. On July 7, 2007, the Temple of Kukulkan located in Chichen Itza was recognized as one of the seven new wonders of the modern world. The monumental beauty of the Chichen Itza explained are present over by the pyramid of Kukulkan called by many the castle, one of the paradigmatic beauties of Maya architecture is a pyramid of four sides and columns in a rectangle temple, proving that you will see the snake that descent of the pyramid. There is the Sacred Synod of Chichen Itza, considered one of the most important places of pilgrims of the Maya culture, is located north of the Pyramid Kukulkan and is connected to it by a pipe of about 3,000 meters length. In the same way, we can find the school platform that is known as the cultural influence of the Central of Mexico. It plays vertically instead or horizontally as in Tenochtitlan. And finally, we can in the Snake Observatory that is an ancient Maya observatory that allowed the Mayans to observe the change in the scale. And as we can see, Chichen is full of ancient story of our past and invite you to visit and the experience of living in an ancient Mayan city. For my part, I hope everything goes well and you have a good day. Bye.